understanding. I believe that Smartmatic has reached our protocol and they should be held accountable for it. I personally, along with another commissioner, will request for a formal investigation of this matter so that we can determine if Smartmatic has a financial and other liabilities under their contract for breaching the protocol. What they should have done was, if they saw an error, they should have asked in bank's permission first, explain the problem, and then explain the solution. And if it were acceptable to us, then we would have given the permission to do the changes. This automated election system is not owned by Smartmatic. It is owned by the Commission on Elections, representing the people of the Philippines. It is owned by the government. They were not supposed to change anything without our knowledge and permission. Hindi po talaga ang independent responsibilities. Kaya hindi po ako nakapagmahingit sa kapwa ko in the course of reading them. Maasahan ko din siya. Hindi na po kami namin walang bahala. Lahat ng mga explanation nila sa amin, tatagawa lang namin. Kasi hindi namin alam yung mga technical side. You can assure you that the commissioners are going to study this, and we will investigate even our own people. If they have some omissions there or malfeasance, we will get to the bottom.